Mr. Tan is a licensed real estate broker, a director of Kapampangan Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated, and an active member of the Chamber of Real Estate and Builders Associations and the International Real Estate Federation. Many times it's been cited by the government and real estate leaders as one of the top housing producers and developers in the Philippines. By working as the President and Chief Executive Officer of residential real estate companies, Fiesta Communities Incorporated, and Houseland Development Corporation, Mr. Tan continues to build not just houses, but homes and communities for Kapampangan and Filipino families. Hello, Mr. Willie Tan. Welcome to the program.
Good day, Ma'am Sonia. Nice to see you. Happy New Year to all our viewers. I'm very happy that I was invited to be one of your guests today in Business Unusual.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to have you in the program, Mr. Tan. First things first, Sir Willie, no? Kayo ba nung bata pa, sadyang maganda na ang inyong bahay? Kayo ba ay lumaki sa isang magarang bahay na katulad ng mga ginagawa niyong mga bahay para sa mga Pilipino?
Actually, Ma'am Sonia, I grew up in a sari-sari store con grocery in Manila. That's in front of the Bangbang Market. Sa lugar namin, because that's part of Tondo, maraming tao, maraming squatters actually. Okay? So, hindi ganun kaganda ang aming naging tirahan. And as I told you, I grew up in a sari-sari store con grocery. So, yun ang aking upbringing from the start. Nagkamalay ako, nag-aral, tapos ng college in Manila.
Yung magulang ninyo, typical na Chinese small businessman, di ba? May sari-sari store, may grocery. Sigurado ko through the years, napalaki din ng magulang ninyo yung inyong sari-sari store, di ba?
Actually, yung nung unang panahon, yung mga sari-sari store parang grocery.
Exactly.
Ngayon, parang mga supermarket na nga, di ba?
Exactly.
Nag-evolve na rin eh. Pero the good thing is that at a very young age, I was trained, we were trained with my brother on how to manage a small business like sari-sari store. I'm telling you, we learned the importance of working hard. We learned the importance of savings and of course the accounting of your in and out of your income and sales and income and expenses.
At ang mga magulang ninyo, yung tatay ninyo specifically, Chinese trader.
My father is a pure Chinese. My mother is a Kapampangan.
Nung kayo ay nag-aaral, sinabi ba sa inyo ng magulang ninyo kung anong kurso ang kukunin niyo sa kolehiyo o kayo ang namili?
Well, my mom, kasi maaga namatay ang father ko, I was 10 years old.
Oh.
So basically, I grew up parang wala akong father to guide me. So it's my mom that is my mentor, the one that guided me. And when I about to take up college, my brother, which is older than I am, talked to me and asked me, Tol, what do you want to take up in college? Sabi ko, I think I want to take up animal husbandry or veterinary medicine. Ako, kasi mahilig akong mag-alaga ng mga animal, no? But sabi ng brother ko sa akin, alam mo, lahat ng tao sa probinsya, they dream of coming to Manila, no? Sabi niya, and they want to pursue their study hindi para sa corporate world, sabi niya. So na-influensyahan ako na maging accountant din, no? So I studied in UST and finished commerce major in accounting.
Fast forward, how did you end up being in the real estate industry? Kailan kayo nagkaroon ng kauna-unahan na negosyo na konektado sa pagiging real estate developer?
with all honesty, Ma'am Sonia, during the time that I'm studying, I don't have any intention of working in any company to become an employee.
Yes.
Siguro because of the exposure ko sa negosyo namin
Yeah.
sa tindahan. So
Yes.
my mindset ever since is I will have my own business.
Yes.
And it took me so many small businesses that I open up. So basically, when I was in college, sarili ko nang gastos yung pag-aaral ko kasi kumikita na ako. And then, marami pa akong on the sideline na naging negosyo. Nag-buy and sell ako ng kotse, nagkaroon ako ng motor shop. And mind you, even the used clothing, pinasukan ko before yan. I'm looking for something that will excite me. But siguro I will give siguro credit to my mom, because after my graduation in college, while I'm doing my own business of yung naging negosyo ko is 3M and Kodak distributor ako
Okay.
ng mga audiovisual product. But my mom requested me to go here in Pampanga because he wants me to take a look on a foreclosed property of SSS. So I take a look and finally nabili namin. The good thing siguro sa akin is marunong akong sumilip ng pagkakakitaan. So nakita ko na yung nabili ng mother ko na paupahan niyang $200 per house, sa naka $400 siya ron. And then I befriended those people from SSS, and then I was able to buy a lot of houses. As I buy one, I repair, I sell. Ganon.
What year was this? In the 80s?
This is way back in 1981, 82. No? Murang-mura pang bahay nun. I can buy a house for 90,000, 4-bedroom siya. Then I will have it repaired and then sell it for say 150 to 180. So maganda naman ang kita, and most of my buyers are the US serviceman, yung mga asawa ng mga that's how I started.
And what was this very first subdivision of yours?
The very first subdivision is here in Villa Regina, dito sa may Don Bonifacio. It's a 4-hectare property. No?
Oh, laki
Pero I was able to buy it only at 30 pesos per square.
Oh.
And then when we developed that one, we sell that for 750 pesos per square meter. Ganun lang kamura nun. Ganun lang kamura, Ma'am Sonia. So as I developed that one, then comes one teacher and told me, I want to buy one lot. Kaya lang gusto kong gamitin yung aking GSIS membership, no? So I try to find out how can that person avail of a loan with GSIS, and I end up with National Home Mortgage, which handles the housing program of the government. Whereby funding comes from GSIS, SSS, and Pag-ibig. And then that's where I was able to befriend also National Home, and then told me, Mr. Tan, there is a program of the government to support the lowest echelon of the Filipino people. So sabi niya sa akin, we want to support developers doing socialized housing. Socialized housing yun ang pinakamababang bracket ng bahay, no? So this is supposed to be intended for the informal sector or the formal sector that are earning minimum wage. And then nakakita ako ng property, nag-start ako, kaya lang pumasok ang pinatubo, so na-down ako, no? And then I was forced to go to Pangasinan. I was the first to do a mass housing in Pangasinan, in Santa Barbara. Meron akong nabiling isang 20-hectare property na binigay na term sa akin, and then I was supported by National Home. And then nakapag-develop ako. That started what Fiesta and House Land Development Corporation. Now, tuloy-tuloy na yun eh.
So, kung i-categorize natin yung inyong mga subdivisions, so meron kayong socialized housing, meron kayong for middle class, at saka meron din kayong for upper class.
Fiesta Communities is focused on the socialized and economic housing. When I say socialized, that is the lowest package, which is right now is at 580,000 for a house and lot, with an average monthly amortization of around 3,000 and below. No?
Kaya, no?
The second classification is the economic housing. This still falls within the Batas Pambansa 220. Ito pa rin is part of the yung lower market pa rin, which is up to 1,700,000 now, house and lot. So, ito yung we'll say for the average income Filipino earner.
Okay.
No? And then comes the open market. This is PD 957 classification. Ito yung mga package na unlimited ang selling price mo. No? Unlimited ang selling price mo. But of course, ang market that we are targeting here are the high middle to high-end market. No? But I focused Fiesta Community for the average income earner, and I created the House Land Development Corporation into the middle and high middle package. No?
Okay.
This is around 2.5 million hanggang 5 million. Okay. So I am very happy and satisfied addressing the needs of this market segment. Kasi nandito, Ma'am Sonia, yung karamihan ng Pilipino na nangangarap magkabahay.
Exactly.
Pero parang home ownership is not that easy and it's not attainable. Mahirap kasi for an ordinary person to save 1 million, 2 million, or even 3 or 5. So, ito, karamihan mga ordinary workers lang natin, government and private sector.
Kumusta naman ang involvement ng family ninyo? I am sure through the years, yung mga anak nyo na mga pinag-aral ninyo sa mga mahuhusay na mga paaralan, na-train din ninyo, hindi ba? Dito sa inyong, kasi it's always important for a parent like you, no, na nagtatag ng ganitong klase ng negosyo, na may pagpapasahan kayo. It's always that the legacy thing. You know, family businesses are like that, no, mostly. Lalo na kayo, sabi nyo nga, you never wanted to be an employee in a corporation, in a company. You wanted to have your own business. I am sure the entrepreneurial spirit that you possessed was passed on to your own children. Are they involved at all in your companies, Sir Willie?
Alam mo, Sonia, no? Talaga yatang mabait ang Diyos sa akin. Okay? Because in our family, I'm telling my children, you are the architect of your life. Whatever you want to do in your life, whatever you want to reach sa buhay nyo, kayo ang arkitekto. So, me as a father, and my wife, of course, we practice walang dictatorship sa family, no? So that let me tell you one story. My eldest wants to become a priest when he graduated here at Don Bosco. So sabi ko sa kanya, tomorrow you tell me you want to become a priest. I will be very glad, no, to support you. Then the next day, pagkagising niya, sabi niya, Dad, I want to become a lawyer, sabi niya. Sabi ko, my God.
So I know, I met your son. Your lawyer son.
Attorney Tan, Ryan. So sabi ko kay Attorney Tan, anak kako, bakit mo gusto maging lawyer? Kukunin mo lahat ng problema ng ibang tao, kako. You know, if you have the money, kako sa kanya, you can hire the best lawyer and you can hire the best doctor. Kako sa kanya, sabi niya sa akin, Dad, sabi niya, this is, I actually pray hard and I have made my decision and I think that's my final decision. So, sabi niya sa akin, don't worry, you can make use of me, sabi niya, once I graduated and become a lawyer. Sabi ko, yes, sabi ko, as I told you, there is no dictatorship in our family. I will support you all the way. Yung second kong anak, which is babae, no? A girl, supposed to be studying at UANP, no? After 2 years, sinamahan niya, mother niya, pumunta sa PSID, Philippine School of Interior Design.
Okay.
My wife, wala siyang ginagawa, gusto niyang mag-enroll. And then finally, my daughter told her na, Mommy, ako na lang. Kasi I get bored inside the classroom. So that is only second year, no? Magte-third year na. So sabi ng mother, okay, if that's what you want, go ahead. My third is a mass comm, no? Mass comm, is also a girl. He graduated in LaSalle on his own decision. And then the fourth is economic finance, which is a guy. And then the last is psychology. Alam mo, Ma'am Sonia, every one of them, when they graduated, hindi na nagtrabaho sa iba eh. Sabi ng isang anak ko na lalaki, Dad, sabi niya, kinukuha ko ng IBM Philippines. Kaya lang iniisip ko, I will start, sabi niya, as an ordinary employee. Okay? Rank and file, magiging supervisor, magiging manager. Maswerte na mag-vice president ako. And after that, what? Sabi niya. So, papayamanin ko IBM Philippines, sabi niya. Bakit hindi na lang ako, kung na lang kaya ay magtrabaho sa daddy ko? Kinikwento niya sa mami niya yan, ha? When the mom told me, when my wife told me, sabi ko, let him report to me tomorrow in my office. Agad-agad kinuha ko kasi sa kanya nang galing eh. Okay? So, lahat sila, isa-isa na pumasok sa opisina ko without me asking them to help me. So, ako personally, our company, we feel that this is our role in this world, no? And I'm very happy and of course very, very proud of what we are doing. I'm very happy because I'm one of those lucky person that was given this talent. We may call it a talent, you know. And my family are all helping us, no, to deliver this calling to mga Kapampangan, no, and the rest of the Filipino in Central Luzon.
Sir Willie, I'm interested to know kung ano yung pinakamalaking challenge na naranasan ninyo, you know, your most challenging experience in your line of business that made you almost give up. Kung merong ganon, ano? Because I know from your story na you're not the kind of person who easily gives up. But, you know, sa negosyo daw, dumarating ka rin sa parang sa point na parang nababurn out ka. Meron bang ganon na inabot kayo as a business leader?
Siguro maghanap ka lahat ng problema na experience ko. Except yung war, no? Inabutan natin ng pinatubo rito, Ma'am Sonia, di ba? Where everybody would like to go out of Pampanga, out of Central Luzon. As if wala na tayong pag-asa rito. Inabutan ko rin yung 1986 EDSA Revolution. Okay? Inabutan ko yung time na ang interest rate, meron akong loan, na ang interest rate is something like 18 to 21%, umakyat ng 48%. That was the time na nagkaroon ng Jobo bills ang Department of Finance, okay? Ang Central Bank, no? where a job will start double your money in 5 years, parang gano'n, no? Inabutan ko rin yung nagsara yung national home. Okay? Na ang dami-dami ng collectibles mo, biglang yung funder mo nawala ng puhunan because na mismanage. Yung mga bahay mo hindi mo makolekta, yung loans mo nagjuju. Inabutan ko rin yan. Okay? Of course, ordinary na sa akin yung mga baha-baha, yung ulan, bagyo, may nasisirang mga bahay, no? So, ordinary na sa akin yan. Inabutan ko rin yung Asian crisis, no? That is during my lifetime, no? So, ang daming crisis kong dinaanan. Sabi ko, I think, bago ko ipikit yung mata ko, wala na sigurong crisis na darating. Ang ganda ng takbo ng negosyo for the last 10 years, only to end up, we have a pandemic today, which is, I think, is the hardest of all the challenges that any businessman will going to experience.
Why do you say it's the hardest?
This
Global.
is worldwide, global. Pati yung market namin, 40% are OFW.
Correct.
Alam mo ba na karamihan ng mga negosyante na average businesses dito, no? Mga restaurant, mga shops, mga kung ano-ano mga negosyo rito. Lahat yan ang kumikita yan because of money coming from abroad. Money coming from business process outsourcing. Money coming from Pogo, no? Lahat yan ngayon pumreno no? Lahat yan pumreno. So, nabawasan ang OFW remittance, okay? Yung Pogo nagsara, okay? Yung BPO, ang work from home sila, nag-cut ng workers. So, in effect niyan, masyadong malaki sa market. Ang mga bangko now are worried to offer loans sa mga businessman as well as sa mga end user financing ng mga bumibili ng bahay. Kasi natatakot sila baka hindi mabayaran dahil mawawalan ng trabaho because of this pandemic. So, mahaba ito nakaisang taon na tayo halos. So, we are not sure of 2021, not even 2022, no? So, we are just hoping that we will be able to overcome this one. Okay? In our case, ang dami-dami ng mga workers ko. Kaya nga, this is no joke to us. Yung overhead din natin is malaki. So, we should be able to manage it properly.
Kung kayo ay magpapayo, given this opportunity to advise young entrepreneurs who are watching us today, na halos gusto nang sumuko because of the impact of the pandemic on them, what are you going to tell them? Ano yung pinakamahalagang mensahe na maari ninyong sabihin sa kanila para kung ano man ang nararanasan nila ngayon na mga challenges sa negosyo nila, hindi sila basta bibigay, Sir Willie?
Well, actually, Sonia, this is a very hard question you're throwing to me. Kasi alam mo, but I would like to focus on the new businessman o mga beginners na nag-uumpisa. Actually, it's a pity, no? Na nag-umpisa sila magnegosyo, tapos nagkaroon ng ganito kalaking trahedya sa ekonomiya natin, no? And when I say malaki, as I told you, this is the biggest that na-experience ko sa 64 years of my life, no? So, let's put it this way. I suppose these are the young entrepreneur, nag-uumpisa pa lang sila. They have just consumed siguro mga 1/3 of their life, no? Kung ang average ng buhay ng tao, 75 to 80, baka ito mga 20 to 30 years old, no? So, even hanggang 35 years old, so mga hanggang half of their life, no? So, there is still enough time for them to recover, okay? Kung talagang kailangan mag-close ng negosyo because di kaya i-survive, so be it, no? But don't lose hope, no? Don't lose hope. Kasi sabi ko nga, you're young, pag nadapa ka, na bata ka, madali kang tumayo.
Mhm.
Pag ang puno, maliit, bumagsak, may chance pang tumayo.
Mhm.
Pero kung ang malaking puno, bumagsak, hindi na siya makakatayo kasi napakalaki na ng branches niya na babagsak. Hindi niya na kayang itayo. I would like to say, I would like to express to our young entrepreneur, take these negative situations something positive, no? Something na magse-serve as a lesson to you.
Thank you very much, Sir Willie. That's a very a wonderful message para sa ating mga young entrepreneurs. I wish we had more time to do this conversation there. And I'd like to congratulate you for doing what you're doing, building homes, building communities for our OFWs especially, for our wage earners, para sa mga low income and middle class families na importante sa kanila ang tirahan. Congratulations, maraming salamat po at happy New Year to you, Sir Willie.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Sonia. Anytime I would like to share anything of my experience that could help our young entrepreneur. Sana meron silang natutuhan sa segment natin ngayon. And Happy New Year to everyone. Maraming salamat for your time in listening to me and to this program. Malayo pa ang mararating natin. Ang ating bansa is still very young at young population. So maganda pa ang future ng Pilipinas. Don't lose hope and keep on fighting and put a lot of prayers.
Thank you very much. Nakalasalamat po kay kayo, Sir Willie Tan. Don't miss the chance to watch this episode on social media. Like and follow our official Facebook page at CLTV36 Official and Business Unusual with Sonia P. Soto. I am also inviting everyone to subscribe to our YouTube channel at CLTV36 Official for more Business Unusual content. Ako po si Sonia Soto, out with business as usual, in with business unusual.